is the Dreamy Purple Sim. This is a gel polish we're doing it for short nails or entire nails. And the other ones we did, it's ombre with the Dreamy Purple. So just want to show you a couple options you can. And also you can even use this with the ombre gel too. But if you, a lot of you love the disco flash gels and you want to be ombre with your liquid and powder, so here you go. I'm gonna go ahead and add it on. You can adjusting it. Great. I'm not using the glow in the dark kits. Adding some cute. This is a glow in the dark kits. This is one of my fave. It's had so much to offer. I'm gonna add some of this more. Oh my god, it's so adorable. And you can continue to add more as you prefer. I'm gonna flash it really quick. 30 seconds.
That's cute. Did you you want to do precision glue on that too, or a little bit later?
Yeah, later. But I want it using, just give me 30-second flash key on that one because I want to put some beads on it. Looking for some bigger beads.
Bigger bead?
What the kit did you put it? Get the big, some of the bigger beads from the yeah, no, for the $5 nail artist had the beads, some metal beads that have a bigger size and smaller and bigger, or is in your glow in the dark kits. Glitz want to make sure you have so much for yours, you know, for your inventory, so when the clients are asking anything, you have it. Like if you get the, I think this is in the glow in the dark crystal kits, it has all of different metal frames, beads, and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of this super cute beads and drop. I just squeezed the precision glue gels on, so then that way it's help holding the beads so well. We're gonna definitely double secure it in a little bit. Gonna go ahead and key this for 30 seconds, flash key. See how easy it is? Super easy. This one's super adorable. And then you can leave this one alone itself. I'm gonna top coat this one. Should I top matte or top coat it?
I'll do shiny.
Shiny?
Yep. So your butterfly pop along with all the glitter.
I'm gonna top coat this one. Let me know if you want to see crystal on this. At least that we're doing it. So ones with no crystal, really rare. So enjoy it. Cure this for 60 seconds.